Oh, if you want to know how to take the front door panel off the truck, get a ratchet with a 10mm socket like so, 1/4 inch, a couple little extensions. You're going to stick it under the door handle here. You undo this bolt, and this door handle comes right off. You don't have to worry about losing the bolt because it stays with it as long as you don't unscrew it too far. Undo that. Pry up along the edges of the switch panel. You can pop the one closer side to the inside off first, and then pull the whole thing out and plug it. And then there's a screw hole down here, a screw hole down there. You have one Phillips screw by the door handle and another Phillips screw up there, and then the whole door panel just lifts straight up. There are no pop clips, just lift straight up. So keep that in mind, and then you just reverse the process. Door handle going on last.